What's up, you guys? Welcome back to episode 2 of the 370Z rebuild series. I'm actually filming episode 3 right now. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. Front and rear bumpers have arrived, but I just want to let you guys know that I really appreciate all the love and support you guys have been giving me on the recent video. Thank you for all the comments. We have a bunch of new subscribers, so thank you for tuning in, and a bunch of OG subscribers, so I appreciate you guys being patient with me. But just wanted to show you guys my appreciation of all the love and support you guys have been giving me on the latest video of me coming back. But let's get on with today's video. What's up, you guys? It's a new day. We're gonna try to get the Facebook Market 370Z started today. I did run to O'Reilly to pick up a new battery as well as some coolant, but I do want to get a coolant purge kit. That way we don't have any air pockets inside when we refill it, and that'll tell me if there's any leaks in the system as well. So hopefully they have it there where I can rent it for a couple hours. If not, I'm gonna be cheap as fuck and just rent it or buy it and return it, because I'm only going to use this once, you know. But yeah, let's go ahead and head to the local auto parts store and see if we can go pick it up. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to my boys. My homie Tay, Boo Boo, Moose, and Harrison just recently started a podcast. It is called Off the Menu. And if you guys fuck with me, please go and help them out. And just go over there and just subscribe. And go and comment on their recent video and tell them that you're from our channel here. That would mean a ton if you guys could do that. They're getting started, so we gotta show them and help them out any way we can. So if you guys can do that, please and thank you. Do you guys have a coolant purge kit I can rent? Yeah. No. Is it just the one that like goes over the radiator? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay, cool. Thank you, man. Yep. Alright, back home. I picked up this spill-free funnel. I haven't had any experience with this, but I think it should work. Usually I use a vacuum one where you hook it up to the compressor and I put the fitting on here and it just sucks out all the air, and then you can suck the coolant in. But this is all they had. So we'll test this out, see how it goes, and if I need to go return this and buy another one, I will. But for now, this should work to refill the car back up and then just purge the system, stuff like that. But I'm actually gonna look it up and see how to use this real quick. So I'm gonna actually put the battery in and then flip the car the other way, because it's gonna be running for a little while and I want all the exhaust fumes to go outside. We have power. And I finally got a little toolbox. Let's turn off the hazard lights in here. Wherever that is. Where's the hazards? Oh, it's right here. Okay. Kinda excited. Alright, now let's put the intake on. Alright, first start, but super quick. I think I did it right. Now we have to fill the coolant maybe halfway, turn on the car, and then just let it cycle through, and slowly the bubbles will start coming out. And then when the bubbles stop, that's when you know it's all purged. And you have to turn the heater on as well, so that way it can run through the heater core as well. But hopefully this works. I don't know if I have enough coolant, but we'll see how it goes. Time to run back to the auto parts store. It did not have enough coolant, or I do not have enough coolant. I should have known. Guess I'll be right back. Alright, so my dad was actually here and he helped me bleed the coolant out of this, and everything works fine. There's no leaks or anything, which is amazing. I didn't record that because I was just enjoying my time with him, but I do have a couple things I need to do, so I'm probably gonna end it here today. But I appreciate you guys sticking around and watching the video. And once again, if you guys can subscribe to the Homies podcast, I'll link it right here. Also, if you guys are excited for the 370 rebuild series, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below what you think I should do, and if you can subscribe to the channel, that would mean a ton. But other than that, I love you guys. More videos to come, and I can't wait to rip this thing on the next video. Peace.